It's getting dark, it's raining, it's a nice, beautiful, perfect Saturday night. Now I'm hopping on some PlayStation with 5 of my mates that I haven't played PlayStation with in months, bro. So I am so excited. So I hop on, I join the party. I am the last to join the party. And about 3 minutes in, I can already tell that something fishy is going on with these guys. I haven't talked to them in ages. They are different and they are treating me differently. When they talk to me, I can sense at the end of their voice that they're laughing. Yeah, off their breath. They're laughing when they talk to me. They're talking to me like I'm a joke. Yeah, like I'm nothing. I can sense that within 2-3 minutes of our conversation together while we're playing the game. And this continues. I start to sense it more. And around 10 minutes, yeah, of me being in the party, they just go silent for about 30 seconds. I don't know where they go. And as soon as they all go silent, I know that they are talking on like another group chat or whatever without me in it. And as soon as that happens, bro, I'm like, fuck this. Why am I even playing this game? Why am I even playing with these dudes? 30 seconds after that happens, they just start laughing out of nowhere. And around 10 seconds after that, they start spamming my videos. All of them, I think except one dude maybe, started playing my videos, syncing perfectly together. So it's really fucking loud on the mic. So I just say, boys, I gotta go. I'll be back. Yeah, I'll be back soon. I mute my mic and I just sit there for 30 minutes just listening to their conversation. Because I can't be a part of that shit. I'm not gonna be treated like a joke, bro. Even though I knew I was, or I thought I was a joke at that point. I was a fucking vegan, I was a skinny ass, nothing wrong with vegans. But, you know, I was a skinny ass kid. I was making cringy ass TikToks and YouTube videos. It was expected, bro. Yeah, it was expected for people to joke around and, you know, give me hate. Even my friends, bro. Around 30 minutes passed of me just sitting there, listening to their conversation, just watching them play the game. I was so scared to go back onto the microphone that I just left the party. That was it. I didn't want nothing to do with that. I just went to go play my own game and do my own thing. And this is what really sparked the very, very lonely side of me, the very, very lonely side of Jack. I was a bit down bad before this and I'd cut out my bad habits, but I wasn't ever very, very lonely. I'd go to school, I'd see my friends, I'd connect with them, I would laugh with them. After this though, I went to school every single day. I wasn't alone, but I felt lonely. I'd come home to my family. I was never alone, but I always felt lonely. I tried so hard to balance the feeling of fitting in with my, you know, classmates and shit, because partying was getting very big, you know, in year 10, you know, and I wanted to get invited to them, even though I got invited to none because no one wanted me there. Yeah, that's out of pure respect, by the way. If I was a big party go-getter, I probably wouldn't want me there either. Just saying, yeah. But I tried so hard to balance fitting in with making progress in my own life. And I only came to the realization that it wasn't going to happen. You weren't going to do both, motherfucker. You weren't going to do both. You were either going to go be a party freak or you were going to make so much progress in what you're doing right now. You only have two choices. I was not that type of dude who could balance both. I couldn't go out on the weekend and party and still make as much progress as I wanted to with YouTube and shit. I would have felt so guilty in myself. I could have spent that time doing something more productive for the future me. It became so hard to balance the two that I'm just like, fuck it. I have to choose one. It's either I be my raw, authentic self and I continue following my purpose, AKA this, yeah, talking to you, or it's give this shit up and go be a party freak. Go be that class clown. Be someone you're not, because that's not you. I'm so lucky I chose this, bro. I'm so lucky I did. And around 4 months ago, I had a very, very big urge to change that. Everyone was turning 18, or most people are turning 18. Everyone at my school is 17, who, yeah, most people anyway, like 99% of people who I go to school with are 17. And most of them are 18 now, because we're halfway through the year. Partying is a very, very big thing now. I get invited to some because I'm, you know, my authentic self, I'm confident in who I am, so people actually want to invite me to some places now. I'm not as cringe as I used to be, but I don't go to any, bro. I don't go to any. I'm just not that type of dude. If I'll go to like a really, really close friends one, but if he has one, but I won't go to just some random ass dude or random ass girl at my school's party just because I can, just to get, you know, drunk and shit. That's just not me. I just don't do that shit. But I was spending a lot of my time at school, as we all do, 6-7 hours. I was spending a lot of time studying at home. That school kind of became my life, and YouTube became second for a little bit, around probably a few weeks. And in that last week of school becoming really, really important, even though it still is, but it was like this face of my life, I had, for some reason, for a few days, a massive urge to stop posting on YouTube and just go be that party motherfucker, that party freak. I had a massive urge to do that, and I was literally about to do it. I was using the excuse of living my high school years to their fullest to stop YouTube and go and party and do all that type of shit, fit in at school. I don't really care about the money I make from this shit. Like, I don't really care. I make money from it, but I don't really care about it. It's just a bonus. But bro, I'm so glad I didn't listen to that side of my mind, man. I'm so glad I didn't. Because it's not me. It ain't me. And if it wasn't for this one guy in my life, which I'm going to explain to you who he is, and I've mentioned him in a few videos, I probably would have done that. I probably would. You wouldn't be seeing me right now. His name's Nick. And I don't know if I've shared his name before, but I met this Nick around 1.5 years ago. Yeah, it would have been the start of 2023, maybe the end of 2022 when he joined the private community I had going, you know, back then. And I recognized this dude from TikTok. He made content just like me. And I knew when he joined that we would have similar values. But we got to know each other. He paid for like a one-on-one call with me. At the time I was like 50 bucks. I don't do them anymore, but it was like 50 bucks for an hour. So I hopped on a call with him and he taught me more than he taught me, you know? And after that point, I'm like, fuck bro, you stop charging me for this shit. Or I'm gonna stop charging you for this shit. We teach each other so many things. You know, it's a balance in value. So we did these calls maybe once a week, once a month. And we learned so much from each other, man. And I actually felt connected, you know, connected to him. He had the same values as me. And I felt a connection to the world, and I genuinely felt happy because I had that one brother that all these influencers and shit have been telling me to stay patient. You'll get that one dude soon. You will have that one friend soon that genuinely can relate to you. And here he is. He's just appeared in my life. And I would go deeper into this, but I'm not here to waste your time. This has really changed my perspective on friendships forever, bro. And I know you hear quality over quantity so much nowadays. I know you hear it all the time with women, with friends, with everything, right? Quality over quantity, but it can never be more true. So I started to think of friends like gems. You have your bronze, you have your silver, you have your gold, you have your sapphire, you have your emerald, you have your ruby, you have your diamond, you have your amethyst. I'm just going off NBA 2K cards. The bronzes are the least amount of value, yeah, but they're the easiest to get. The diamonds, the pink diamonds, are the hardest to get, but they're the most value. But they take the greatest effort to get. You would rather have one diamond than 10 pieces of gold or 10 pieces of bronze. You'd rather have one diamond. Nick's a diamond friend. Some of the dudes at my school are bronze friends. You're nothing against them. I just don't align with their values, yeah? To other people, they're a diamond friend. To me, they ain't, because they don't align with my values, and that's completely fine. To other people, I'm a bronze friend. To other people, I'm a pink diamond. To some people, you're a diamond. To other people, you're a fucking bronze. Yeah, and that is out of pure respect, and that's just truth. All right, but there's someone out there who would fight for you, and I can guarantee you that, okay? Because right now, you may be a bronze. Right now, you may be. But if you continue to put the work in every single day and you continue to let this loneliness fuel you, just like it did me, I chose the right path. I chose to be my most authentic self. I became a diamond. I'm not gonna let my ego get in the way, but I became something like a diamond, bro. Yeah, to other people. So I attracted another diamond into my life, just like a friend, just like Nick. One diamond is worth way more than 10 bronzes. And that is my mindset on friendships. And the way you get those cards, the way you find those gems is by equipping yourself with the tools and the discipline to go out there and find it. That's how you do it. You are not gonna find a diamond if you stop digging a day in. Yeah, you have to dig forever, bro. And that's working on you, building your garden to attract the best possible butterfly. Yeah, working on your, I don't know what you use, a fucking shovel. Working on your shovel to find the diamond. It doesn't matter what it is for you. It could be creating content online. It could be going out there and actually using your social skills. It could be going to the gym, you know, getting jacked, finding a friend through that. It doesn't matter. Joining online communities, it doesn't matter. Become a diamond yourself and you'll attract diamonds in your life. It's simple. And being lonely is fine. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.